tomatillo, lots of cumin, and then that jalapeno.
Bottoms up. Not bad. The heat's starting to rise up now. Yep. Probably should have done that one. So that little hot sauce spot. Have to deal with hot ones on YouTube. So I use most of that. Oh, fuck. Whew. That shit has me sweating.
Oh! Oh!
Holy fuck.
What the fuck?
My mouth is on fire. Can't even tell. Yeah, my eyes are watering.
Got a pan in on that cry. This how hot it is, Mark. Look at that. You pan it in. See the tears coming out?
Holy fuck. Shit. This is gonna last 10 to 15 minutes. I need to get a drink. Fuck. Ooh. Holy shit. Sinuses, I'm like, nose is running. Eyes are gonna have to like building up. Wow, sweet. It's a gelato place.
Got some ice cube chapstick. My lips are hot.
Do we have?
I think I'm like actually tearing here.
I probably look so sad right now.
Holy shit. Fuck me. Never again. Never again. Oh yeah. I need something to cool my mouth down. Oh fuck, why did I pick the hottest one? Fucking still fucking burn out. Get nose booger drool. Holy shit. Holy shit. I need to blow my nose. I'll be back. We're gonna try that ricotta with caramelized fig. Hopefully that does the trick. So I got me that ricotta with caramelized fig and then lime mint. So I'm gonna go lime mint first because that's a cooling sensation.
Going in with the ice.
Oh my god, that's so good. That nice limeade flavor with a cooling mint sensation, and it's actually working. My tongue is finally cooling down. Now I'll try some of the fig. Ricotta fig. That's really good too, nice and creamy, rich ricotta. With some of that thick flavor, kind of like if you're a fan of like Fig Newtons stuff. Like Fig Newtons with cream. So good.